Yung cellphone mo dyan, ay, patay.
Ito, ang laki, oh. Pwede nang kainin natin. Siyempre, eat natin.
Ay, na, yun ang pinakamalaki. I know.
Wala tayong biscuit, eh.
Oh, no. How we can bite them?
Ayun, ang laki nga, no? Ayun, oh.
Uy! Kain natin. Mama! Mama! Di ba you said fish has gills? It's inside of the mouth.
Yun nandito. Ayun, nakita mo gumagano to? Gumagano siya, oh.
Yun yung mouth na.
Nandito yung gills.
Oo.
Dito siya umingin.
Oo.
Ayun! Ay!
Ay, naku! Ay!
Ano? Isda, girl. Sobrang laki.
Tandaan yan. Parang it look like a baby shark.
Yes. What kind of fish? Si Papa mo magaling. Alam niya lahat ng klase ng isda. O ano yung pwedeng kainin, ano yung hindi pwedeng kainin.
There's a fish. Hey, this Mama! Yun, mouth niya. Yun.
Unan mo yun, kita pa dyan, Tibesi? Yung malalaki na yun. Papakita natin kay Papa.
Mama! Mama, paano yan? May ball pen. Sino nagtotro dyan ng ball pen?
Mga bad na siya.
Paano yun? Hey, that's the baby fish. That's the baby fish.
Hey, that is the baby of that fish. Oh, it's the same color. What do you think? That is gray.
Oh no, Mama.
And that fish is gray also.
It's look like a shark.
Those are fishes. Those. Because, tama? Because it's far.
Yes.
Those are.
These are many fishes. Wow. I wish may fish tumalon eh. How about the dolphin is tumalon? But Mama, Mama, look, the turtle's getting up.
Sige, nagpapapicture yan eh. Oh, alam na may kukuha sa kanya eh. Up, goes up.
He's going down, I think.
Akyat.
He's trying.
Trying.
Ayun!
Yan ang ano sa tao. Siya lang yung nag-try sa dami ng turtle.
I know the turtle. Mama, maganda yung turtle na yun, no?
Sige, mag-adventure.
Mama, ayun.
Sabi niya, ano kayang meron doon?
Ayun, yan. Ano yung turtle? Ayun.
Ganyan na
maganda
kalaki yung
yun.
turtle ni Anne Soling. Malaki pa dyan.
Maliit konti.
Ayun po.
Ay. Ito kayo. Naku, wag mo yan. Mama,
Bali, ang dami-dami nilang ibon na gano'n. Duck ba yan?
Mama,